Hello everyone, welcome to yet another video of weekly market analysis. So in the past week or the week gone by, the market actually consolidated within a narrow range of 17,000 to 17,400. Okay, and we tried to go down below the levels of 17,100 on Thursday and Friday, and markets took support over there, and we closed above 17,100 on two consecutive sessions. Okay, and with a lot of events around the weekend, like Mr. Biden going to Poland and different meets, and especially the most awaited event is again the war. What positive or what negative comes down on the war will actually define how the markets will pan up in the coming next week. So let's see what were the markets all about in the coming in the previous week. Okay, so on the 25th of March, as we can see, just a sec, 25th of March, as we can see, Nifty opened somewhere around the levels of Nifty opened somewhere around the levels of 17,300. Okay, again, the same day we made a high of 350, 17,350, and made a low of 17,970, 17,096. Following Tuesday, we actually made a low of 17,000, and later on we made a high of 17,450, and still we are not able to take that out. We never went below 17,000 for the entire week, but we never took out 17,450, or for that matter 17,300 were proven to be a very good resistance for past two sessions like Thursday and Friday. Okay, if you can see, though markets are trading above short-term average of, let's suppose, 15-day moving average and 200-day moving average, still 50-day moving average as well as the 100-day moving average are still proving to be very good resistance zones as far as Nifty is concerned. Long-term supports of the Nifty are established again at the same level, 16,800 levels, and long-term resistance would be in the area of 17,600 followed by 17,800, as you can see the cursor where I have placed it. This was all about Nifty. Again, news is what would be driving the markets in the coming week. If we will be having positive news from that front, Russia-Ukraine front, we will definitely see levels of 17,600 and 17,800. Though this is the area, as you can see clearly, of very good resistance. And if there are bad news, you might see lower levels of 16,900 and 16,800. Again, 16,800 being a very good support area. Now let's talk about Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty opened somewhere around 36,500, and as we mentioned in the previous week's market analysis as well, the 36,800 would be a very tough level to pass by, and that's what happened this week even. We made a high of around 36,827. Again, we couldn't give a daily closing above 36,800, and we closed somewhere around on that day around 36,100. Again, the market in Bank Nifty took uh, supports at 35,400 levels. We broke the level on Friday, like for some time, but we gave a closing above that. Okay. Again, for Bank Nifty, the long-term supports remain at 34,000 levels, while the immediate resistance is placed at 36,800. Okay. This was a brief about the indexes. Okay. Let's see how the FIs panned out in the previous week. FIs, after being buyers for like 2 days, 23 and 22nd of March, were net sellers on 24th and 25th March. Though against the FIs, our mutual fund houses and the DIs have been continuously buying, but FIs are on a selling spree once again. Okay, so if you, as you can see, month till date, the FIs have sold somewhere around 46,961 crores. Okay. As far as weekly gainers are concerned, on the back of the news provided that Invesco backed down, so Z Entertainment was the biggest gainer, followed by metal players like Vedanta and Hindalco. Okay, ITC showed a lot of promise as far as performance is concerned. And trust me, ITC, if it takes out level of 265, we might see even 300. Okay. Weekly losers, Britannia was the biggest loser, followed by Hindustan Unilever and Titan. As you can see, all these are consumer goods services, consumer stocks. So they took a bit of hammering in the previous week. Okay, followed by Kotak Mahindra Bank on the back of the news of stake sale. Though this was a brief about what happened in the past week as far as the markets are concerned. As I told you earlier, even in the coming week, we will be again pretty much news driven. Okay, levels of 17,500, 600, 800 would be the immediate resistances, and 17,000 and 16,800 would be really good support as far as markets are concerned. And if we go below that, we might see even levels of 16,400. Sorry. Thank you so much. And like always, if you have found this video informative, please like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.